Hey guys, we are back with another market breakdown for this week, and I would like to apologize for the audio. The audio. Even today, I am recording this outside, so there might be a little bit of wind here and there. I cannot record inside the house because there are a lot of people making noise and stuff. But I gotta use what I have, and recording the video outside possible was the best possible solution for today. I think this is for today only, by the way. So this week, my first pair would be Euro JPY. Euro J. This is so. Oh, sorry about that. This is so. When you look at it like this, it looks so easy. Like it looks so easy. Okay, oh, okay. Price is supposed to do this and do this and do this. Oh, by the way, firstly, by the way, I did not record a video for a weekly review because last week we took I took a lot of break evens. I think I had like four break evens last week. Four break evens and no win, no loss. Just four break evens. Straight break even, break even, break even. But what I like about those break evens is that those were not impulsive break evens. It was more of like, okay, I see what the price is doing, I see what the market is doing, so I should do this and do this. I was not impulsively moving my stops to break even. So as long as I follow my plan, I follow my trading plan, then whatever happens, happens. But this week we got EJ Euro GBP. Price has been pushing up. Price has been pushing up, breaking structure, push up, came back to retest some areas here. I did not take these trades. Uh, Euro JPY. Actually, JPY pairs have been so volatile these past few weeks. It's nice actually. It's nice actually to trade them. So price break structure here, indicating Uguti it is going to continue with the uptrend. So now I'll be just waiting for a simple thing. Price break out this little trend line here. Is the main reason why I call it little. For me, it's too steep. I don't like trend line when they are more steep like this. Maybe a trend line should be like this for me. So that's why I will say it's a little trend line. So if price can break this trend line here, come back to retest some sort of retest, any sort of retest. I will not be looking for a perfect retest for this one. Any sort of retest, then I'll be in on Euro JPY. And then another JPY pair, which is GBP JPY. Almost the same thing. Correlation. I'm not a big fan of correlation, but sometimes, man, JPY pairs they just like to move the same. USD pairs like NZD, USD, Euro USD, not GBP USD, though, not GBP USD. So that's why I'm not really a big fan of correlation, but sometimes take you have to take it into account. So almost the same thing here, but on Euro JPY, price reacted to these areas, and on GBP JPY, price is looking to retest a different area, if I may call it like that, a different area. So this is also so simple. Price been breaking up, breaking structure. Some people had, I think I saw something. I think I saw something on Instagram. Some people had trend line like this, but once there are too many trend lines and too many structures, for me, I just get confused sometimes. So that's why I like to keep my charts clean. I make sure Uguti I avoid any sort of confusion. I avoid any sort of confusion. So, on GBP USD, I'll be looking for buys on this pair. And then we go to NZD USD pairs. USD pairs, they have been on some bearish movement because I actually was looking for buys on USD pairs. I was actually actively looking for buys because price has been breaking structure to the downwards, and then price broke out of this trend line, and my mindset just switched on like that. It switched on once the price was broke this trend line. My mindset was like, okay, now let's go for them buys. Let's go for those buys. But price was like, nope, you got to follow what I do, not you coming up with your own ideas or stuff like that. So it looks like NZD USD wants to continue going down. And my job is simple, is to just try to go with NZD USD. Just try to go with NZD USD, whatever it does. Just so now I'll be looking for price to come back. I'll be looking for price to come back to retest these areas. I'll be looking for price to come back to retest these areas and take take those sells to the downside. That is on NZD USD. Pretty simple, man. Pretty simple. And Euro GBP. I had a trade. I think last week. Yeah, I had a trade on this one. It was almost me moving price to break even because I think I had my entry around these areas on this inverted head and shoulder, and then almost price took me out on break even, but it didn't, and that was a winner. So now I'll be looking to continue with the price because I believe now price will start pushing to the upside. There was a structure, a level of significance. Price came to it, we tested it, or touched it. Some call it zone. I like to just call things structure. Maybe sometimes zone. It's not wrong. It's not wrong to say zone. So price break out of this trend line, came back to retest the head and shoulder. It went up. So now I'm actually I'm actually have my buy stops set on this one. I have my buy stops set on Euro GBP. Price, you see what I like also in this one is this strong bullish movement. This strong bullish movement. This is the movement that gave me that belief for good. Okay, you know what? Price is actually looking to go to the upside. Price is actively looking to go to the upside. So now the only thing I'm waiting for on Euro GBP is just execution. Actually, not even execution. I'm just waiting for price to tap me in and to see what happens. So on Euro GBP, I have my buy stops set right now. I'm just waiting for price to tap me in, and I'll be looking to ride with the price and see what happens. That is Euro GBP. And then the next one. Okay, this one is interesting. GBP CAD is so interesting for me because I have this trend line here, which it has given me 1, 2, 3 touches, and then now this is the fourth touch. That is the main reason why I believe that GBP CAD is actually now looking to break this trend line and go to the downside. That is the main reason why I believe That is the main reason why I believe okay. Oh, okay. Sorry about that. There are a lot of distractions today. I am at home. I am at home. I did not have a class today, so there are a lot of distractions. It's so hard to record a video. So back to it. GBP CAD. The price has given me 3 touches, and this is the fourth one. And there is also this inner trend line, and the price has broken out of this trend line, which also this is the second indication that the price is actually looking to move bearish now. So another interesting fact on this price is this area here. Price has broken this because a lot of people, I don't like to focus on other people, but this is just from my experience. I used to do this. The second price does this, I used to put my cells here and then put my stops above this area, looking for that continuation. So now, if it was me like 2 or 3 years ago, price would have taken me in here, and then I would have already lost this trade if it was like 2 or 3 years back. But now, with more experience, with more knowledge on the market, I like when this thing happens. When price come back, when price push down, maybe tempt some other people to get into a trade, because some will actually wait and maybe get in here, put their stops above this area here. These things, guys, they happen. I know because I also used to do them. I also used to trade like this, so I know that these things happen. So that's why sometimes it's so nice for me to see these things happening, and I am able to avoid a lot of mistakes, so that's what I also hope to do for some or a lot of you guys, to just try and provide value, like try and provide, because I believe each and every one who come and watch these videos is looking for value, is looking for some sort of knowledge, you see. So on GBP CAD, I like this when this is when the price broke this area here. I like this. So now I will be looking for price to go a little bit back. Yeah, maybe if price can just move a little bit above this area, I think I might have FOMO on this one. I think I might have FOMO and enter on this trade early, because I believe GBP CAD is going to be a good trade. If everything goes according to the plan, I believe GBP CAD is going to be a really good trade. So I'll just continue to monitor this one, and yeah, we'll see what happens. And then also another GBP pair. Same thing, almost the same thing. Trend line. There has been a lot of touches on the trend line. So now I'm just looking for price to continue with another thing. Look at this bearish movement here. From this is so strong. This is so strong. This is a big indication that, bro, we want to go down. We want to go down. Look how this bearish movement here cancelled this bullish, and I believe this was a news candle. This was a news candle. Look how price cancelled all that movement in just like that. So now I'll be just looking for price to come and retest these areas, but the main difficult thing on GBP CHF is my stops. I don't know if I enter here, I'm not sure where I'm gonna put my stops. I'm not, maybe in these areas. I'm not really sure about that. So I'll just wait for price